We're going to be solving another LeetCode assessment for today. It's going to be around 2 questions. And let's get started. Okay, we got the 2 questions. So the first problem is asking me, given the string array words, return an array of all characters that show up in all strings within the words. So I just need to find the common characters that appear like in the words, right? So, and then the length is 100. I'm just thinking of like maybe brute forcing this. I'll do this in Java. Or, yeah, actually without hash map, I can actually make this efficient, I think. So let's create an array, right, of 26 letters, set it to 0, and then I want to loop through each character in the word. So it's going to be words that I dot length, or yeah, size, j++. And then what I want to do is array at words that I and j minus a plus plus, right? Now what I gotta do is do this, and then if array at I is equal to words of length, that means there's a common character that every word in the array has. So I just want to put the character. Or the ans.pushback a plus I. Yeah, I think something like that. And then after that, I can just return the answer. And hopefully it should work. Art size. I guess I can just do this. It's like asking me to put in a string. Well, how do I convert number? So it's just plus num. I mean, it's working here. I don't understand. Like, I mean, let's try doing this. Just do count. I mean, I can do this. Yeah, it's for some reason giving me numbers. do this. Another thing I realized is there could be multiple occurrences of L, so it's not only one, it could be two, because they all have two L's in common. So I guess I gotta do like oh, I think I get it. I think the original solution we were trying to do is like not gonna work at all. Because there could be like three occurrences of that character in the first word, right? So let's think of something else. Including duplicates, you may return the answer in any order. I mean, the thing is, we can do this in brute force, like just looping, do a nested loop, right, over each word, but I don't think that would be like time efficient, you know? So I'm trying to think of something more efficient. Okay, wait. What if I create like vector array of 26 and or like just words dot length and vector, right? And then let's do call this array, and then array at word, array at I, and then j minus a plus plus. Wait. Something like this. Yeah, I think this should work. And then let's do let's just run a loop till 26, and then for each alphabet, right, we can do equals 101, and then just 100, yeah. Min equal to min between, let's call it min value. It's between words at array at I, or in this case, j and I. Right, and then after we get the minimum value, we can do let's do j again. And what was this, right? Yeah. Let's do char c equals this plus I, and then let's dot push back to string c. Okay, let's try this. Min between min. Oh, we gotta return answer. I mean, I think it's working, but I don't know why it's giving numbers. Okay. I mean, so this part is okay. This is okay. This is okay. Yeah, it should work. So this is like the only part that's messing it up, so let's just like try to find another way. Should be char and C++. Alright, let's just do this. should we do char or you know? Okay, so the good thing is it's working. The bad thing is when I'm like converting into a string, it's not working. Let's just try doing answer.pushback as, let me see. Yeah. Let's just do this. Okay, now it works. Okay. Let's try it in the second test case. Nice. Okay. So the next problem is balance strings are those that have an equal quantity of L and R characters. And then return the maximum number of balance strings you can obtain. So it can be substrings, right? Yeah, substrings. Okay. Alright. Think I'm going to use a hash map. I mean, yeah, because my first like initial approach was like just counting the number of occurrences where the number of L and R were equal, but it turns out like it's not gonna count all the occurrences of possible equal L and R. So then what I'm gonna do is use a hash map and then just like yeah, just like mark the occurrences of each L and R, right, throughout the substring, and then each time I run a for loop, I can like see how much L's or R's I need, and then go back to the hash map and see if there's any substring that has my needs. So I'll just do map int map, and then let's do int L equals 0. s at I equal to L, and I'll just do L plus plus, else R plus plus, and if let's do diff equals L minus R. So if diff is equal to negative, that means we need more R's, right? So since we need more R's, that means we need more, like the opposite of the diff. So let's just multiply it by -1, and then let's create another variable called counts plus equals map at diff, right? And then we can just return the counts. I don't know if this will work, but let's try it out. 10, so it's not working. I mean, like, map at diff equals plus plus, and multiply by -1. And then, what if we don't multiply it? That's not gonna work. I mean, again, we also have the option to do this in brute force, but let's just try to optimize it. Oh, okay, so turns out multiplying by -1 isn't like the best option, because if we need more L's, then that means we need more R's. So it's like a continuous substring. Like, it's just not gonna work at all. So Tony. try it on here. Okay, there's definitely an error. So this is not supposed to give 4. Wait. Oh, okay. I think I read the problem wrong. It says not the number of substrings, but like split it into number of substrings. So that's a different problem. Okay. So then in that case, that's just like the number of occurrences, right? Of them being equal to 0, like the difference. Okay, let's see this. Okay, let's try it on the first test case, and the figure prints forward and set. Okay, this should work. Okay. I mean, we did waste a lot of time on the second problem. It was like 10 minutes, but that's fine. 5.69 out of 10, and 6.56, which is not what I wanted, but it's fine. Yeah, so overall, good assessment, and gonna try to stay consistent, posting every day, and yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.